Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel RS Computer Solutions. In today's video, I'll show you how to configure a Ceph pool on a 3-node Proxmox cluster using the GUI. This setup is ideal for high availability and distributed storage. Step 1. Prerequisites. Before creating a Ceph pool, make sure Proxmox cluster is already created. Ceph is installed on all nodes. OSDs are configured and running. Network is properly configured, separate Ceph network recommended. Make sure your cluster health is health_OK and OSDs are up. Step 2. Create Ceph pool. Go to Data Center, click Ceph, click Pools. Now click Create. Enter Ceph pool name. Others setting as default. Check mark Add in storage. Click Create. You've successfully configured a Ceph pool in Proxmox. Now you can use this pool to create VM disks. Replication size 3 ensures data is distributed across all 3 nodes for redundancy. A Ceph pool in a 3-node Proxmox cluster provides high availability and strong data protection by replicating data across all nodes, ensuring there is no single point of failure. Even if one node goes down, data remains accessible without interruption. It enables seamless live migration of virtual machines, allowing workloads to move between nodes without downtime. Since storage is distributed across all nodes, there is no need for a dedicated SAN, which reduces overall cost. Additionally, Ceph offers automatic data recovery and rebalancing, making the system resilient and easy to manage, while also improving performance through parallel read and write operations. That's how you configure a Ceph pool in Proxmox using GUI. Easy and efficient. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.